To make an AI avatar, we need 3 completely free websites. First one is Leonardo AI, which we are going to use to create our image. This website has a free plan we're going to use to make our avatar. First, we click on Image Generation and choose the Albedo Base XL, then set the settings as shown here. Now we will give a prompt and click Generate. If you don't like the generated images, you can click on Generate again, or even change the prompt a little bit. You have 150 points in this website, which you can use to generate images until you find the one you like. After you choose the image, click the Download button. Now, for the second step, we need to generate the voice our avatar will speak. For that, we can use a website called 11 Labs. Here, I have a random text I wanted to use for the audio, and click on Generate button and download the audio. Now, we have to put everything together. We will be using Artflow website. To animate our image, we click on Create Videos button. As you can see, we can use the website characters and avatar, but we have made our own. To add our image, we click on Character section and upload our image. We click on it to expand and edit it. After uploading, we have to click on the image so we can animate it. The last step is to upload our audio, but remember, the audio needs to be under 30 seconds to upload. To use the audio we uploaded, click on Use this audio button. After audio has been added, click on Export the video and name it. I am going to name my avatar AI Avatar Experiment. It will take a few minutes to export the final video, and here is how the final video looks. Nor hence hoped her after other known defer his. For county now sister engage had season better had waited. Occasional Mrs. Interested far expression acceptance. Day either Mrs. Talent pulled men rather regretted mire but life ye sake it shed.